So guys, when I was messing around with my drawn sword earlier, I noticed something interesting, and it's on the ratchet. Let's see if my camera will focus. There we go. These an L and R. What could this mean? Well, it could mean that some ratchets will be exclusive to right spin or left spin. Like what was it? The sparking chassis. Like, take for instance, LNRs were like 1B or 2B, 2D, and all the singles. But my biggest question is, are we going to get some exclusive chassis for right spin? I mean, not chassis, ratchets. Anyways, thought I just let you guys, just thought I'd share that one with you.